Why, I'm Aggro Man.
Boy, I'm really slick now. I'm really cool, boys. Looks like I have two choices here. I can save the girl, be a hero, possibly get married, live happily ever after, or I can ride around.
What do you think I am? Stupid?
Wait a minute. Didn't I forget something?
Betty! Oh, Betty! Betty! Oh, God, I'm so stupid. I can't believe I let you borrow these in the first place. All this trouble you put me through. I ain't never let anybody use my gloves again, especially a stupid broad. I can't believe this. Oh, my God, I can't believe this.
I don't mind you trying to take the necklace. And I don't even care about the fact that you almost killed me. But you just destroyed a perfectly good bicycle. And for that, you're gonna pay.
I wonder if I could still throw my voice. Gee, stop that. You're hurting me. Ooh, God. Oh, gee, why don't you quit? Oh.
Why do these things always happen to me? I gotta let out this aggression somewhere.
I'm going street run.